Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mesh out of a brick. So let's begin. So first, you're going to want to go up here and click part. Once you have a part down here, then you're going to want to go to part. Click, right click it, insert object, and then special mesh. Now once you have a special mesh, it's like this. You can keep it like this if you want, but if you want to change it, you keep watching. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go down here. You can click cylinder. So if you want a cylinder, then you can spawn a cylinder, and you can choose anything from there. But what you don't want to do, if you're gonna do a cylinder, is spawn a spare, because here's what's gonna happen if you spawn a spare. So I'm spawning a spare, special mesh. Then if you go cylinder, if you go spare, it's gonna do that. It's not gonna work. So you have to make, so if you're going to look for a cylinder, you're going to have to make it like this. And I think it might be the same for the others. No, I think it's only for cylinder. But here it is. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.